Hello everyone, this is Sandeep here. Welcome to my channel Realtor from Dubai. If you are an investor, then this is a must location in your portfolio. If you are an end user and looking for downtown style living or Dubai Marina style living, then this is the community for you. I'm talking about Dubai Creek Harbour. Dubai Creek Harbour is a combination of Dubai Marina and downtown style living. It has waterfront apartments, it has world's tallest tower upcoming, which is Dubai Creek Tower, and a beach style living. Today's video is gonna be into 4 segments. Number 1 is why Dubai Creek Harbour. Number 2, how the master plan of Dubai Creek Harbour looks like. Number 3 is the tour of a show apartment in Dubai Creek Harbour. And at last, I'm gonna give you my top recommendation where you should invest in Dubai Creek Harbour. Now let's grill Dubai Creek Harbour on 4 basic parameters of real estate: location, views, brand and pricing. Dubai Creek Harbour is just 10 minutes away from downtown Dubai. It is 10 minutes to Dubai International Airport, 20 minutes to Jumeirah and 25 minutes to Dubai Marina. So I can say Dubai Creek Harbour is very excellently placed and easily accessible from all parts of the city. Dubai Creek Harbour offers you one of the finest views of Dubai, which is Dubai Creek view, downtown skyline view, Russell Khor Sanctuary, and the view of upcoming Dubai Creek Tower. Dubai Creek Harbour is being developed by Emaar Development. So I don't have to say anything much about how the brand is, how the community is going to be in terms of finishing, quality, amenities, and features. Dubai Creek Harbour offers you a wide range of ready to move in as well as under construction units of 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedroom apartments as well as podium villas. The prices starting from as low as 1 million dirhams. So now we have seen Dubai Creek Harbour has the best location, has one of the finest views in Dubai which no other community has. It is being developed by the best developer of Dubai, that is Emaar, and the prices are affordable. And that is why in last 2-3 years, most of the international investors, be it from Europe, be it from GCC region, India or Chinese investors have preferred Dubai Creek Harbour as their preferred choice of investment. And that is the reason why you should invest in Dubai Creek Harbour. Now since we have seen why one should invest in Dubai Creek Harbour, let me show you how the master plan of Dubai Creek Harbour is being developed. Let's go. Didn't I tell you that the views of Dubai Creek Harbour are amazing? What you are seeing in front of you is the master plan of Dubai Creek Harbour, which has 2 parts. One is an island living, with residential towers with the views of Dubai Creek, Russell Khor Sanctuary and downtown skyline. Whereas on the mainland you have Dubai Creek Tower, Dubai Square Mall and an artificial beach which Emaar is making. Now from the mainland also you have the views of Russell Khor Sanctuary and downtown skyline. Dubai Creek Harbour will be connected with 4 metro stations within the community. There are going to be an educational facilities, healthcare facilities within the community. Also, you will have much more of parks and amenities and facilities within community. By now, you must have realized how huge the master plan is and how beautiful this community is going to be. Trust me, this is going to be one of the best communities in Dubai. Now let's take a look at the show apartment of Dubai Creek Harbour. So this is a typical layout of a 2-bedroom in Dubai Creek Harbour. So immediately when you enter, you come into a huge living area followed by a spacious dining area. The kitchen in this property is a semi-closed kitchen which comes with the serving counter as well. And as I told you, the views from Dubai Creek Harbour are amazing because they offer you a stunning view of Dubai Creek, downtown skyline, and on the backside, if you get, you are having a view of Dubai Creek Tower. Let's take a look with the views this property has to offer. You can also see they have provided full floor to ceiling windows so that the more natural light comes in, there is more brightness in the apartment. There is a powder room for your guests to use. Let's take a look at the bedroom number 1. Now the bedrooms in these apartments are pretty spacious, so you can put your bed, your dressing table and a lounge if you want to. Those comes with the wardrobes as well. Now this is your master bedroom, which is again bigger and spacious than the previous one. Also, it has the views of the community and the creek as well. There are plenty of wardrobes in the apartment. You have another small storage area here, few more wardrobes and a master bathroom. Now, since we have seen why you should invest in Dubai Creek Harbour, we have seen how the master plan of Dubai Creek Harbour is coming up. We have also done the tour of the show apartment. Now it's time for me to give you my recommendations where you should invest in Dubai Creek Harbour. My first recommendation would be Vida Creek Beach Residences. These are branded residences right on the artificial beach which is being developed in Dubai Creek Harbour. Now, having said that, this would be a huge potential if you're looking for a short-term rental or you're putting your property on Airbnb. The available properties in Vida Creek Beach Residences are starting from 81.7 million dirham onwards. Number 2 is the Grand Residences. Now, the Grand is the tallest tower on the island, which gives you views of Dubai Creek downtown skyline. Most of the building is already sold out, whereas there are still units up for grabs starting from 81.4 million dirham onwards. My number 3 recommendation would be a ready-to-move-in property. If you are looking to buy a ready-to-move-in property in this community, then there are units available from 1.6 million dirham onwards with a post-handover payment plan of 75% up to 3 years. If you want any more details regarding the available units or the community, all you have to do is call me on my number 971-54-771-7848. You can also message me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Realtor from Dubai. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share the video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you will get more such videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next Thursday with yet another video of a project where you can invest in Dubai. Take care. Bye-bye.